All right, good morning to you. So this issue of Master Monicano, you know, dissolving the IPOB DUS Nigeria has been making wave on social media. We have talked about it. I think this is making it 3 times. I'm talking about it since yesterday. But reason being that the turnout of events is actually changing the landscape of the freedom. Not for everybody, but for those who believe that Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is the supreme leader. We all know how important Mazin Nnamdi Kanu is. We all know how he has managed to organize and, of course, fix one or two things. I don't want to start going back to what we have discussed, but that's something I want to connect with the whole thing. You see, when Mazin Kanu said that IPOB DUS that they have compromised, people don't understand. Credit to PM Samonekpa, who actually said this from since day one, who exposed this since day one. And Mazin Kanu, of course, is not free. And not that he don't understand what is going on, but Mazin Samonekpa, the Prime Minister, was the one waging this war on his behalf. And in his absence, Mazin Kanu has no other option than to do what he can do to end these career agitators. Why am I even talking about this? I'm talking about this not because I want to lament or complain, something like that, but I've noticed that people who claim that they don't like Mazin Kanu, not they claim who don't like Mazin Kanu, like the main real enemies of Mazin Kanu, those of them that have come out and criticized him, demand for his death, demand that they should buy him and hang him and all that. They are now defending DUS, the ex-DUS, the ex-DUS dissolved or DS sacked. They are now, saying something to support them. It's funny, to be honest with you. I'm not going to lie to you. Anyway, I would like to share a few things before we move forward. So let us take it gently because it is quite funny, very, 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 very funny that people can behave like that. For record purpose, let me remind you that what we're about to do now is not to attack anybody or to promote violence. We don't promote violence, but to set the record straight. So as you can see on your screen now, this is from Arise TV, owned by an Igbo man from Delta State. But Ruben Abati and people like them, like Ruben, are behind the scene, pressing negative button and making mockery of themselves, thinking that they're talking to people. He said IPOB is sacked. Listen, before I even read it, let me tell you what happened here. Mazin Nnamdi Kanu dissolved IPOB and sacked them, right? Ended their career agitation. And Arise did not carry the news. I have searched and searched on, on their platform to see if I have asked Google. It shows that these people don't have any news, any post, anything whatsoever in that regards. They did not mention how Mazin Kanu ended their career. They did not mention anything as such. But the moment DOS, ex-DOS sacked and dissolved, because they have to, they have to push back a little bit, with their small kwashoko hands, trying to push back. Then they dish out their own report that they have sacked Master Nnamdi Kanu. Imagine people, you are sacking me from my father's house. Who does that? He said IPOB sacks Nnamdi Kanu as leader, as leader. Appoint a director of state. following alleged ungranted communication from Sokoto prison, where its leader Nnamdi Kanu is serving, Mazokano is serving his jail time. He's serving his jail time. The prescribed indigenous people of Biafra, IPOB, has announced the indefinite suspension of the office of its leader and the position of the director of Radio Biafra, appointed a director of state to administer the organization. A statement by one of its officers, Chika Dibia Edoziemu, that guy is an idiot, said the resolution was taken after a meeting of the Directorate of State on Wednesday, June 17, 2026, where it reviewed recent statements that have caused unnecessary arrest and death of IPOB members and innocent citizens in the Southeast. Look at these people. So now you realize that they caused unnecessary this and that. Let's talk about who ordered the death of recent people that died under you guys' command. IPOB marched in Aba. Mazakano was in DSS. Okay, in 2022, I believe, and Nigerian government, Nigerian security forces massacred Igbo youth. That you guys deceived. There's no protest that Mazakano called in Nigeria that end the life of people. The one that you know, and what before 2015. Then when East, because most of the protests happen when Master Khan is not here. You get the point. Sometimes when he's DSS, when he's Kuje prison, that's when most of the protests took place. Under which before a lot of them happened. I'm not saying that they don't buy people when Master Khan is here, but to say damn protest, not like 30th of May, people were praying and all that. Not that one. So you cannot label the death of the people that under your instruction, Chike Dozem and Chinasaworo. You cannot label the death of these people on Mass Zamanagan. It's not possible. It's not possible. That is a no-no. So why is it that it is so easy for Arise TV to carry out the concocted story of SDUS, but they could not carry the one Amazon Ghana sacked them? That's supposed to show you concern, isn't it? That simply means something is fishy somehow. It did not end there. It did not end there. This one called Robo TV said Okike must be praised always and the time. Okike must be praised always and the time. I mean, maybe there's something else he said here, but he attached this punch will carry the news also that IPOB suspends offices of leader Radio Biafran director. IPOB's Directorate of State indefinitely suspends the office of leader and director of Radio Biafra previously held by Mas Namarokano to safeguard operation whatever nonsense they're talking about here. You see, this is Chike Dozemu here. I believe this could be his wife, or because some of them don't marry, they have concubines. So maybe, I don't know, maybe. There's a video of one of the people from DOS, all right? One of the people from DOS wishing Mas Namarokano, death. Okay, if can brain, these people say work. They can go at any length to prove a point. And that is what people are not paying attention to understand what they are doing. Now, Udele, the write-up of Udele, we let you, I mean, if you don't see, if you don't understand what I'm saying, that these guys are working together. The job of the US is to do that which enemy of Mazamukano has been praying for. Okay, they have accepted that. Udele reacted. He did not publish the one that Mazamukano sacked, but he's now publishing the one that US suspended and sacked. You know, that is how they roll. Now he's now mocking himself. He said, Sokoto US. Thanks for the clarification. My people, they say this one should not be addressed as Sokoto DS. Look at Sokoto DS. This is DOS are the one making this mockery of this, the appointment of DOS that Mazonokano just made. Okay, look at it. The write-up is, you can see what they put here. You can see it. Tell us the unity you belong, the unit you belong to in IPOB. Ma or four man, I don't know what is that. But here, let us read the storyline from Udele. Okay, he said, Mas Namado Kano suspended by the authentic for the first time ever. This idiot now noticed that there's a authentic and fake. What does that mean? Let me take it again. He said, this 2 hours ago, as of time of recording the video, he said, Mas Namado suspended by the authentic DOS. He used to call them criminals and terrorists. You know, he don't talk DOS, he always tells Mas Namado. But the reason why they focus on Mas Namado, they know that the time like this will come. They have bought them over. What Mas Namado predicted from onset has happened. This woman said, barely 24 hours after they purported, look at him, barely 24 hours after the purported dissolution of the IPOB DOS by Mas Namado via Sahara reporters and his lawyer, consulted a lawyer Jimako, the authentic IPOB DOS has issued their own order, which pretty much expelled Mas Namado for the group. Now, here is the dilemma. Namado Kano did not register the group as a public organization, okay? Contrary to what he made them believe. It was actually registered as a private business, IPOB Worldwide Limited. Udele had know nothing about it. This is a gang of liars trying to deceive people, but only those who are gullible and manipulative in nature will succumb to this, fabricated stories to suit their narrative. The agenda is for jihad, I told you, to enable jihadism in our land. That's the end game. He said it has always been his private venture and property, okay, and property, elevating program for his family. Do they think he will give it up? We will give it up? Never. What business do you expect Emmanuel Kano and Kano to go back to? Now, whose sack is legitimate? The authentic DOS was sold to members as the highest authority in the group. The registration document shows Mas Namado Kano as the sole owner with significant control. How are they going to non-settle it? And what court would adjudicate over the matter? Overtake, don't really overtake. That's just criminal comment, Udele. The last part, you may think that he actually don't care. He do care. For him to put DOS as authentic, that means because God needs to DOS now. all of them are saying the same thing. There's no difference between all DOS members, Ayoba, Chike Dozemu, China Saworo, Lion Man, name it, all of them, KK Oda, all of them, both the female cook and rest of them, they are all the same. They are sounding like Udele 24/7. There's no you hardly can differentiate. There's no way you even differentiate them. They are all saying the same thing, insulting Mazamagano front and back. I don't need to start showing you all the mushroom era that couldn't deliver for how many years now. So the comment doesn't really matter. This is why I'm even recording the video, is for you to see that there is backing them up. Nigerian media, the platform that is well known, haters of Igbo, because I doubt that this man called Ruben Abati don't have share in Arise News. Arise News is one of the Nigerian media platform that they hated Igbo people to call, and it's been orchestrated and powered by that man called Ruben Abati. Even Portuguese and other platform carry the one of Mazamakan. Do they carry it? No. That is how they roll. I'm going to end it here. Please let me know what you think about it. The SDUS are trying to fight back, but their fight is death on arrival. People don't know. I saw another post of one of the confused human being. He used my video on his video on Facebook. The guy, maybe if I have time, I will show you. Because last time I reacted on his stupidity, some of our brothers said that I know him, I do see him. Oh, yeah, I saw he's living here, so he lives in Dubai. Okay, but I don't have the contact of those guys that said that do see him in Dubai. I'm not looking for him either. I'm just saying that the guy, when you listen to him, you can see that these people, they don't actually understand what they're doing. Imagine a situation whereby some of them said, "Oh, I stand where DOS stands." Do you get it? And they're also attacking Methuselah and other Jeddah Biafrans simply because, according to him, he said that those ones are they're saying that Mazamakan want people to go back to support and support Nigerian politics and cast votes and all that. So he's against people casting votes and going into Nigerian politics, which of course why I'm against it. But I don't believe that Methuselah and their group say something like that. But you want to use that to rubbish them. But this is the same guy who claimed that he's supporting DOS, right? But when you watch Biafran Child, the one called Biafran Child, the Okechukwu, Mazo Okechukwu, the general, you know him, right? He constantly reminding his people that now that Peter Obi is out, that Chineke Boyo Bonagasi Madagana vote up, mean that he's support of Peter Obi's election and contesting and all that. They are backing him up. But they are the same people criticizing other people that they are according to him, which I doubt no sensible Biafran will preach for that. I stand to be corrected on that because he said that Methuselah and their group are saying that Mazamakan told them to to get involved in Nigerian politics, which is not true. But the only thing, whether it's true or not, the only thing I want to focus on is how can you say you are supporting DOS at the same time you are saying that you are against people going into Nigerian politics. That's what DOS are for. That is what they are there for. They are in support of that. You get Guru Ago, Udele, different child, Lyman. These are people who believe that getting involved in Nigerian politics is the answer. That's why since day one, they're only interested in making sure that you can help them to build pressure group. Nothing more, nothing less. Anyway, let me know what you think about it. I believe you understand what I'm saying. If you don't, please ask your question on comment section and like the video, share to many platforms of your choice. See you again. Bye bye for now. Take care.